Alright, as you can see. Alright, so we got the random now. Thank you. Here's an early one. Hopefully I can function. So we got a list of people, sorry. So we're down to 32. As you can see, Dave got one from Peter, Boyd got his from Jason. Community chest, the team in the one spot is untradeable. So if it's the Saints will get random, the hits will get random at the end of the break. We're not randoming the team before it. We've got to build the community chest, just like Monopoly. Teams, alphabetical geographically. And we do have both Los Angeles teams in there now. So our dice has to be 5 or more. 6 times. So we'll get it. Yeah, okay, it's whatever matches up to community chest. I forgot about the fact that community chest, I should have just left it in the one slot, but whatever. We'll run with it now. 4, 5 times. And we're on to 6. So we got Mark down to Kale. Dice show 6. Where's the community chest there? Community chest in the 4 slot. So with this, tag me to trades where you can, guys. I'm on course all day, so I will catch up when I get to it. Yeah, it's same as I did with the baseball. If you are gonna hold a team, can we just get used to comment? Say Shanners gets the Chiefs. Now, would you not get it? But just say I will hold. I'm holding the Chiefs or something like that. If you're in the baseball, I did it with the Yankees. So it's just so that people know. Of course, the Redskins go to the community chest. Alright. What do we have on the matchup? I think I'm starting to see some trades already. Alright, so Mark gets his Bengals, PC. Niners for Graham, Dolphins for Matt. Community chest gets the Redskins. Austin with the Falcons, Courtney with the Ravens, Houston Texans for Peter Barr. There'll be people left, right, and center for them. Chris Bell with the Giants chasing Odell. Vikings for Matt. Oz with the Bears. Shanners with the Raiders. Titans for Oz. Steelers for Jim. Gee, it's not too shabby, Jim. Bucks for Peter. Matt with the Colts. $4 holder Jason Hurley with the Kansas City Chiefs. Gee, there might be some three-way trading or something happening here. Miss Shanners with the Raiders. Gee, I'm picturing trades left, right, and center here. Stokesy with the Pats. Detroit Lions for LA. $4 holder Cardinals for Peter Lear. Keegan with the Panthers. Jets for Dave Hanson. Grant Fraser with the Packers. Benny H with the Cowboys. Cat with the appearance. Chargers for Keegan. Mel Hart has the Saints. You'll have Peter and Matt after them. Mel, I don't think you would get the Giants. Just because I can't see Chris chasing the Saints. Browns for Boyd. Chasing a little Baker. Philly Eagles for Matty Stokes. Daniel Winterbottom gets the Bills, but a PC chasing there for the brother. Jags for Peter Lear. Where's Dave Hanson on that trade? Rammies for Graham Fraser. Denver Broncos for Trevor. There may be something there. We know Trevor won his Rams. And Kale with the Seahawks, who will probably be chasing the Texans wherever they ended up. So there is plenty of trading potential there, guys. Same thing, be civil in your trading. We all know that some teams with rookies won't be available, that kind of deal. Tag me to anything confirmed. PM if you're trying to get a trade to work and it's not quite going to work, I may be able to assist. Can't guarantee it, but I know like my teams, I like what I have, but I can be persuaded to see what we can help with. But anyway, guys, I'll get this up straight away and we can start trading. Thanks for the fill.